Favorite Christmas traditions are all family, friends, great meals, go to bed early, sleep late, go out and play with your buddies, do a little fishing, do a little hunting.
Right here in Ocean View and across Sussex County, people say they've been looking forward to celebrating their family's tradition since Christmas came and went last year. Some have big travel plans, like Jeff Waxman, who's going to the Florida Keys.
This year I'm going to make a wild boar ham and bring it over to my daughter's house, having Christmas dinner with a daughter and grandbaby and son-in-law.
Betty Bacher travels from Harbison to upstate New York.
We travel to see our sons who live in Lake Placid, New York, and Syracuse, New York. We talk, we catch up. When you live away, you don't see the family the way you'd like to.
While some visit family, Jace here looks forward to one special visitor that comes to see him in Millville on Christmas Eve.
I like giving up for Christmas morning and opening presents. I like Santa.
That's a visitor who Benjamin and Jefferson like to have too.
Whoever wakes up first has to ring the bell, and they have to go upstairs and ring it as hard as we can to wake up everybody, and then we come downstairs and open presents.
In Selbyville, Faye Downs is joined by family from near and far.
Son, he comes down from Virginia, and then I have my daughter that is around the corner. Christmas Eve, we'll change gifts, and then Christmas Day, we'll go over to their house and see what they got.
John Thorogood of Millsboro likes to stay around home to enjoy the holiday.
Go around, look at all the lights. Seaford and then Laurel, that has some nice lights over there, and Salisbury is always pretty this time of year.
For Bobby Schreiber of Laurel, the tradition involves staying in and
watching A Christmas Story.
For many, the tradition is coming here to Sussex County.
I came from New York to visit family from Baltimore.
I came from, Baltimore just to be with all my family, my father and him.
And traditionally, they devour some holiday treats.
Eat cookies and drink milk and a lot of eggnog.
For the Curtises, their tradition is right here in Lewis.
We come to church services at Bethel, and this year Lila is going to be in the Christmas Vigil as an angel.
Lila also looks forward to giving back to families who need a little extra help.
Every year I pick a family to go shopping for.
Regardless of the town or if they're from here or visiting, everyone's Christmas traditions have a common theme, and that is spending time together. In Lewis, I'm Mallory Messner for WRDE, Delmarva's own NBC station.